Welcome to Fab and Mick. In today's video we will do some scary Halloween stuff, and the coffee bar is all empty now. Let's start. Bus eller godis means trick or treat in Swedish. These are from Dollarstore. Remember the skeleton dance from Disney? Don't you just love that video? Oh, lucky for you, you're already dead. Sorry. My plan was that they should hang, but I don't know.
Maybe you hold the camera and I try.
Okay. Ah, it hurts.
This was harder than I thought.
Now you have destroyed everything.
Yes.
And he's looking happy. All electrified. What are you doing? Is this really better than I did? I don't think so. I think mine's better. We are improvising.
Look, this is what I tried to do. Make a net here.
Yeah, you did one.
One.
Good for you.
There it hangs.
Yes.
But I can try the other technique with the next one.
Yeah.
With this guy. So you take this.
Yes.
Yes.
Hang them high.
Then you hang
Like this.
like this. Yes.
Yeah. Everything was in the package.
Yes.
For 20 crowns. Like $2. You strangle him. Maybe you should take down the top one. Put him to rest with the rest.
So he can hang with his friends.
Yes. Well, it hides the cable. You don't want to be with the other guys. I'm not with them. Ah. Good.
Good.
I did this. I'm pleased with my result. Didn't get any help at all. And from the scariest movie of them all, I think, Venom. You can write in the description if you know who is. Venom. Here is a cute one for you. Hello. What do we have? This one I bought just for the coffee bar. And I almost forgot about him. Halloween is for the kids. So here we have 3 mean ones. Behave. And with these kids, this guy follows. Oops. Stand still. So cute. We need the Pumpkin King. Hello, Jack. Oish! Why should I break everything? And an old hag. And I'm not talking about me now. This is my favorite William. Who doesn't love Donald Duck? He has to be here. Hello there! Wanna play? Do you think so? He's hunting the... This mug is so cool with the spoon with the holes in it.
Just like the movie.
Just like in the movie. Deadly Nightshade. And this is the movie. Go up here. Of course we need to have a little dog. This is Zero. He can be here. As you know, I love those paper straws. We don't like those paper straws anymore. Well, we never liked them. I love my coffee with the paper straws. What is better than coffee tasting like cardboard? It's my favorite. Okay, let's open this. $1. Dollar store. We put it in the deadly nightshade.
Because the coffee tastes deadly good with paper straws.
Yes, to die for. I think we should keep this, the faces. Normally I remove them, but those are funny. Nom nom nom. What is the batteries for, you wonder? It's for this guy. You should put the candle here. But no, no, no. Not me. Fad and Mick put candle lights. What do you say? Ljusslinga. Snow flings. And of course I'll use pink batteries, and of course I took the wrong size. I'll be back. We take the big ones, not pink, but has to do long life. Oh! Works right away. Okay, this is with the timer, isn't it? Can you see? Oh.
Timer, yes.
Yes.
In the middle, yes.
In the middle. Sometimes I put it outside the eyes, like this.
Now it's very scary.
Yes! Put him here. Should I put more lights in him?
No.
2021's coffee bar for Halloween is officially open.
Take some time to jokes of love. 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 Take some time.
From the Disney store. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Is this your favorite? You want to put it on? Belle, sit. Sit. Good girl. Where did she go? Oh, there she is. It's a little girl. Wanna go for a walk? Yes.